Hello, scientists. You guys have been learning about how animals use tools just like how humans do. I find those videos so fascinating, and it's really so amazing how smart animals are. So, today you're going to apply all that you learned in those videos to do a fun design challenge. So, I'm going to go over that now so you guys know exactly what you need to do. So, as I mentioned, this is going to be a design challenge. Let me pull up the directions for you if my computer stops being so slow. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we are. All right, design challenge. So, yesterday you watched videos about animals using tools. This knowledge will help you with today's design challenge. You saw chimps using sticks, the dolphins using sponges, crows. I know a lot of you found the coconut octopus so interesting. I found that one really interesting too. So many different awesome inventions by these animals. So let's take a look at the problem or situation we have. Sometimes environments or things within an environment can change. When this happens, animals must learn how to still meet their need for food, shelter, and water. In your new environment, there is food available, but is buried down a ground. Insects, the food available, live burrowed underneath the surface. So imagine you're an animal living in an environment that just changed. Maybe it's a forest fire, maybe there was a hurricane or a flood. And the way you used to get food has changed. Now, the only food available, insects, is underneath the ground. So here's the challenge. Pretend you are an animal that does not have opposable or movable fingers or a thumb. Okay, so your hands can't just grab the food or dig. In order to eat, you must learn how to get to your food source using the materials provided. Your job is to design an object to help meet your needs in a changed environment. So let's look at the rules here. So you have until Monday, March 23rd, so Monday coming up, at night at 11:59. So you have all Friday, all weekend to work on this, and all day Monday to do one of the following. You only have to do one of the things listed in here. So you'll make a choice. Your first option is to design an actual tool. So you can actually really design something using the materials listed on the next page. And they're just suggestions. You don't have to use these materials. You will then present your design via a video on Seesaw explaining to all of us about your design. Your second option, you can simply draw a diagram of your design either on paper or on Seesaw. So if you draw and sketch it on paper, you'll record a video of yourself explaining it and pointing to the different parts on Seesaw. If you decide to go on Seesaw and use the drawing tool for it, make sure you do a voiceover explaining your design so we all know what your design is and what all the different parts mean. Here are some suggested materials that you guys can use at home. Please, please, please do not buy anything. You do not need to buy anything for this. Just make sure you use the materials you have at your house, and they can really be anything. These are just suggestions. You can use foam sheets, wood sticks, rubber bands, tape, cardboard, soda bottle tops, CDs, straws, toothpicks, skewers, lids in various sizes, string or yarn, fabric scraps, popsicle sticks, Q-tips, paper plates, plastic cups, really anything you have at home to make your design as long as it fits the constraints. Remember, you can't just scoop it up like a shovel and dig. You're an animal whose hands don't work. So think of how the dolphin maybe used their mouth or how the crows use their beaks, different things like that. So think of all you learned. If you need to go back and look at the videos from yesterday to help you, you can. I am so excited for this and so excited to see your designs. Please reach out with any questions and off you go. Start doing your science. So excited.